Hi, I'm Dr. Angie, and today I'll be helping a patient understand the importance of a vaccine. This is Miranda and her son Joseph. Today he is getting a flu shot, but his mom has many questions regarding what exactly a vaccination is.
Explain to me, Dr. Angie, how vaccines work with the immune system to protect us from illnesses.
First of all, we need to know what the vaccine is made of. Vaccines are made of dead or extremely weakened viruses. Now, when we inject this vaccination into your body, white blood cells called phagocytes are triggered to engulf this pathogen and then digest the pathogen. After the phagocytes have completed their function, the phagocytes then become an antigen-presenting cell and present the protein pieces from the pathogen, which are called antigens, to a helper T cell. The helper T cell sees the antigens. The helper T cell then binds to the antigens on the surface of the antigen-presenting cell and then activates the killer T cells and B cells. The activated killer T cells receive the signals from the helper T cell and then bind to the infected cells and kills them by poking holes in the infected cell. The killer T cell then clones itself so that it will remain active and ready to respond to that specific pathogen when it's seen again. The activated B cell, when shown the antigens of the invader, begins to produce one antibody in high levels and then begins dumping the antibody into the blood plasma to fight the invader. Some of these activated B cells become memory B cells and are ready to clone themselves and produce a lot of antibodies if they encounter that same pathogen again.
Explain, Dr. Angie, why vaccines cannot be used to treat an illness when a patient is already showing symptoms of that illness.
B and T cells learn the specific antigen of the virus, which is known as a primary response. In this case, if a patient is already sick, there's no need to get another vaccination.
I have heard the terms primary and secondary response before. Could you explain what those terms mean?
Primary response is when our body responds to a specific antigen. Our body can then present a more specific response. Secondary response is when the body recognizes an invader and can attack fast before it has time to reproduce and cause symptoms.